All right, let's take a look here at Spec Kit, which is GitHub Spec Kit is a spec-driven development framework. And you would have just saw a moment ago that it has different kinds of commands. So we have one for defining the project principles and standards, describing what to build, resolve I can't say that word, but resolve things that are not clear before planning, how to define how to build it, break it up into tasks, and execute a plan. And basically, this is to help you if you are not great at writing specs, because you could technically write these by hand, but it can also be very labor intensive as well, or you just might not have the skill to do it. And so here we have Spec Kit specified. So the idea is we're saying build an application that can help me organize photos into separate, et cetera, et cetera. And so basically there's now just a strategy of how do you write this, okay? But anyway, the idea is that these spec files will get generated into a specs directory under specify, I believe, and then we'll have this thing. And so basically you're enriching this thing before you go ahead and execute it. But there you go.